Dialing your combination. Your dial is shipped in a lock position. Unlock with key to allow dial to spin freely. Spinning dial counterclockwise. Tast the first number in your combo 3 times, stopping on the 4th. Then spin dial clockwise. Tast the second number in your combo 2 times, stopping on the 3rd. Spin counterclockwise, pass the third number 1 time, stopping on the 2nd. Finally spin dial clockwise until it stops at approximately number 87. Your door is now unlocked. Spin door handle clockwise to open. Locking your mechanical lock. Spin dial 1 rotation counterclockwise stopping on 0. Lock your dial with your key and double check to safe is locked.